Students, today we will start the second part of chapter first, civics, for class 8th, the Indian Constitution. In first part we had studied about the importance of constitution and what is constitution. Now we will start the next point, the Indian Constitution. The Constitution on India was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. The original constitution is preserved in a helium-filled case in the library of the Indian Parliament. इंडियन पार्लियामेंट में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की ओरिजिनल कॉपी प्रिजर्व की गई है जो कि हीलियम से फिल्ड है. The framing of the constitution started after the formation of the Constituent Assembly with 389 members. These members were assigned with the take of examining and different issues that plagued India. Students, do you know it took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days and about rupees 6.4 million to complete the Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution को बनाने के लिए 2 years, 11 months, 18 days लगा और 6.4 मिलियन रूपी लगा. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in this world. It has approximately 1,46,385 words. It has 444 articles in 22 parts, 124 amendments and 12 schedules. Now the next point is the constitution and legality of laws. Legality of laws. We know that the constitution helps to frame laws and regulations of the country. These laws that are made for the citizens do not jeopardize the rights of the people. Jeopardize means to take a risk the rights of the people, but protect and endorse their rights. To understand how a law can protect people from exploitation by society. Exploitation means you can say soaking or misuse. Let's the take case of Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961. Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961. Dowry can be defined as money, property, goods or ornaments that are given by the bride's family. Bride's family means दुल्हन की family to the groom and his family at the time of marriage. डावरी मीन्स जो किसी भी मैरिज में किसी भी ब्राइड की फैमिली के द्वारा ग्रूम की फैमिली को दिया जाने वाले गिफ्ट्स और मनी इज कॉल्ड एज अ डावरी. द कस्टम ऑफ डावरी had been prevalent for a long time. There were many incidences of dowry demands. In most of these cases, the bride was ill-treated and sometimes even tortured for not meeting these demands. To curb such exploitations in the name of dowry, the government implemented the Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961. Under this act, offering and receiving dowry is a crime. Any person who is found guilty would be fined and imprisoned for a period of no less than 5 years। जो 1961 एक्ट प्रोविशन, डावरी प्रोविशन एक्ट 1961 के अंडर में क्या होता था, जो भी डावरी ऑफर करेगा या रिसीव करेगा उस पर्सन को कम से कम, अगर वो गिल्टी है तो उस पर्सन को कम से कम 5 years की प्रिजन जेल होगी ही होगी। next points we will study in the next part. Thanks for watching.